Is there a time before anybody gets close to death that they should cancel their life insurance?
Sure. You cancel your life insurance when the purpose for which you bought it in the first place has disappeared or been fulfilled. That's when you cancel it. Let's understand what insurance is. Insurance is the transfer of risk from you to the insurance company. So there's always a risk that you're trying to avoid, right? If that risk is gone, then there's no need for that particular insurance. So let's say the risk is that you won't have money for the kids for college, and they're finished with college. So whatever insurance you bought for that, let's say the risk is you won't have money to pay your mortgage, and you've paid off your mortgage. Well, then that risk is not there anymore. Or let's say you have a risk of early death. You have young kids. I'm a person who knows a lot about that risk because my father and breadwinner died when I was 11, and my entire life changed because there was no insurance, including not being able to go to school. Had there been insurance, and had I done my school and become an adult, then that would have become unnecessary. So it's really a terrible thing if you don't have insurance and you have a risk, but it's also wasteful if the risk is gone and you're still paying for the insurance. Now, if you have a risk that you want to leave a legacy, keep the insurance because you still have a risk there that the legacy won't be there and you want that legacy to go. So always go back. What was the purpose of my insurance? Has it been fulfilled or even has it been increased? And that's how you look at insurance.
Great advice. Thank you.